Hello my friends, welcome to solve this math problem, which is log of x to base 4 minus log of 8 to base x squared is equals to 1 to find the values of x. In the first step, from these most important log rules, if we have log of a to power of m to base b to power of n, this is equals to m over n times log of a to base b. So, in here, we can write this as log of x to base 4. We can write 4 as 2 to power of 2, right? And minus log of, in here we can write 8 as 2 to power of 3 over x to power of 2 is equals to 1. So, from this formula, in here we can write x as x to power of 1, right? So, in here we have log of x to power of 1 to base 2 to power of 2. So, in here we can write this as 1 over 2 times log of x to base 2, right? And the minus, in here we have log of 2 to power of 3 to base x to power of 2. So we can write this as 3 over 2 times log of 2 to base x is equals to 1. So, in next step, as you know, if we have log of a to base b, this is equals to 1 over log of b to base a. So, from this formula, log of 2 to base x, log of 2 to base x is equals to 1 over log of x to base 2, right? So, we substitute this in this equation and it will be in here 1 over 2 times log of x to base 2 minus 3 over 2 log of 2 to base x. We can write this in this form and it will be times 1 over log of x to base 2 is equals to 1. So, in here we have log of x to base 2 and log of x to base 2. So, let log of x to base 2 as u. So, rewrite this equation and it will be 1 over 2 times u minus 3 over 2 times 1 over u is equals to 1. In here, we multiply both sides of this equation by 2, so it will be 1 over 2 times 2, it will be 1, so u minus 3 over 2 times 2, it will be 3, it will be 3 times 1 over u, and is equals to 1 times 2, it will be 2. And here, we multiply both sides of this equation by u, so u times u, it will be u squared, minus 1 over u times u, it will be 1, so 3 times 1, it will be 3, is equals to 2 times u is 2u. So, in here, we take this 2u to this side and it will be u squared minus 2u and minus 3 is equals to 0. In here, we have quadratic equation and we use quadratic formula, which is u is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is coefficient of u squared is 1 and b is coefficient of u is negative 2 and c is constant is negative 3. So, u is equals to negative b, negative 2 is positive 2 plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 2a squared is 4 minus 4ac, 4 times a is 1 and c is negative 3 over 2a, 2a is 2. And here it will be 2 plus or minus square root of 4 negative times negative, it will be positive, and 4 times 3, it will be 16 over, it will be 12, it will be 12 over 2. And here 4 plus 12, it will be 16, and square root of 16, it will be 4, right? So we have two answers for u. u1 is equals to 2 plus 4 is 6, and over 2 is 3, and u2 is 2 minus 4 is negative 2, and over 2 it will be negative 1. And in next step, we recall this log of x to base 2 is u. So we write for u1, writing here, u1 is equals to 3. So log of x to base 2 is equals to u, and u is 3. So log of x to base 2 is equals to 3. And from log rules, if we have log of a to base b is equals to c, from here a is equals to b to power of c. So in here we have log of x to base 2 is equals to 3, so x is equals to 2 to power of 3, 2 to power of 3, and from here x is equals to 8. So, and for u2 in here, for u2 is equals to negative 1, we write in here, u2 is equals to negative 1, log of x to base 2 is equals to u, and in here, log of x to base 2 is equals to u is negative 1, so negative 1, and from this formula, in here we can write x is equals to 2 to power of negative 1, 2 to power of negative 1, and from here x is equals to 1 over 2. So we find two answers for x, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.